This video is for all the professionals working on the profile of purchasing and inventory control workers and are willing to migrate to or work in Canada. It will provide you an in-depth knowledge about the National Occupational Classification Code of Purchasing and Inventory Control Workers. So, let's start the video.
Hi, I am Smith and welcome to our channel A2Z Immigration Updates. We make informational and latest news videos regarding global immigration. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, so that you can get the most updated immigration news and information. In Canada, every skill profile has a unique code that is called National Occupational Classification Code or NOC Code. This code tells us about the detailed information associated with a profile and regarding the key parameters like profile description or profile lead statements, key responsibility area and main job duties, employment requirements, alternative and illustrative job titles in exclusion. So, first of all, let's see the NOC code and its description for the profile of this video.
The National Occupation Classification Code or NOC code for the profile of purchasing and inventory control workers is 1524. As per Statistics Canada, the profile description of purchasing and inventory control workers is as follows. Purchasing and inventory control workers process purchasing transactions and maintain inventories of materials, equipment, and stock. They are employed by retail and wholesale establishments, manufacturing companies, government agencies, and other establishments.
Key responsibility area. Human Resources and Skill Development Canada has defined a proper set of job roles for every NOC code. There is not any fixed guideline for meeting all the requirements. As per the recommendation of experts, a person should meet at least 50% of the job responsibilities mentioned in the NOC code. Now let's discuss the key job responsibilities associated with your profile. So, here we go.
Main job duties of purchasing and inventory control workers are as follows. Review requisition orders for accuracy and verify that materials, equipment, and stock are not available from current inventories. Source and obtain price quotations from catalogues and suppliers and prepare purchase orders. Calculate cost of orders and charge or forward invoices to appropriate accounts. Process purchases within purchasing authority. Contact suppliers to schedule deliveries and to resolve shortages, missed deliveries, and other problems. Prepare and maintain purchasing files, reports, and price lists. Inventory control workers perform some or all of the following duties. Monitor inventory levels as materials, equipment, and stock are issued, transferred within an establishment or sold to the public using manual or computerized inventory systems. Compile inventory reports, recording the quantity, type, and value of materials, equipment and stock on hand, using manual or computerized inventory systems. Prepare requisition orders to replenish materials, equipment, and stock. Maintain stock rotation and dispose of and account for outdated stock. Enter data for production scheduling, stock replenishment/relocation and inventory adjustments. Reconcile physical inventories with computer counts.
Employment requirements and other additional information. In this section we will discuss the employment requirements for your profile. Every job has a specific set of employment requirements associated with it. The main employment requirements factors includes 1. Type and level of formal education. 2. Specific training or apprenticeship. 3. Experience in the same or other related occupations. 4. Licenses, certification and registration to practice in a regulated profession, extra. Before moving further, let's understand the employment eligibility requirements and other additional information associated with your profile.
Following are employment requirements for the profile of purchasing and inventory control workers. Completion of secondary school is usually required. Courses in purchasing management may be required for purchasing clerks. Courses in production and inventory management and ability to operate a computerized inventory system may be required for inventory clerks.
Illustrative job titles and exclusions. Every job role or employment can have multiple profile titles. So if you are not able to find the exact job title for your profile, then you need not to worry. Now we will see the list of illustrative and alternative titles for your profile. This section is a list of titles commonly used in the labor market. We will also see the exclusions list, that is the list of titles that cannot be covered under your profile. So let's have a glimpse of it.
Illustrative titles for the profile of purchasing and inventory control workers are as follows: Inventory Analyst, Inventory Clerk, Inventory Control Clerk, Inventory Planner. The list is quite large, so, if you want to read all the alternative profile titles, then you can pause this video and can have a proper glimpse. Now let's see the exclusion list. Purchasing Agents and Officers, C1225 Purchasing Agents and Officers. Retail and Wholesale Buyers, C6222 Retail and Wholesale Buyers. Storekeepers and Parts Persons, C1522 Storekeepers and Parts Persons. Supervisors of Purchasing and Inventory Clerks, C1215 Supervisors, Supply Chain, Tracking and Scheduling Coordination Occupations. So, this was all about the profile of purchasing and inventory control workers with NOC Code 1524.
We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited helps you to migrate to Canada on work permit or on PR. Our motive is to convert your immigration dreams into reality. We assist you in Canadian-style resume and cover letter preparation, mapping the best employment opportunities with your skill set, employment consultation and job search, online skill profile preparation and branding, education credential assessment filing Canada, migration skill assessment filing Australia, expression of interest EOI filing, LMIA, work visa, PR, business visa filing. If you need any further information, then you can contact our team of expert registered migration and employment consultants. Our team will help you to explore the employment, work visa and other immigration opportunities for your profile in Canada and Australia. Click on the booking link mentioned in the description to reserve an expert session for a detailed discussion to explore your immigration opportunities. We also assist employers to file LMIA with Employment and Social Development Canada (ESDC). So if you are an employer in Canada, we can help you to get the best manpower for your company. Canadian immigration is a merit-based immigration process, and your selection under most of the immigration programs depends upon your age, education, experience, English language capability, spouse's educations and experience, employment availability through LMIA, provincial nomination extra. We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited provide a one-stop online platform with all kind of immigration services for our global customers. You can have online consultancy sessions, assessment application filing and all kind of visa processing assistance by our team of experts. If you want to do a self-assessment and check your eligibility for immigration, then click on the link attached in the description and download our app to do your immigration assessment yourself. Also watch our other videos related to work visa filing and finding a job in Canada from your home country. So, if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the most updated information regarding global immigration. Thanks, and we will meet again with another informative video soon.